everybody, welcome back to the garage. We are going to be working on the Ranger again. Today we're going to be installing an aftermarket stereo. The stereo is a Sony, and it's the model, it is a MEX-N4280BT. It has Bluetooth, and you can connect your phone to it, as well as CD player, tuner, and everything else. The dash kit I'm using is this one here out of Amazon, and the part number of it is FD1327B. And then the harness for the stereo. I already spliced the cables together. This is the radio side, this is the car side. The part number is 701771. It's from Metra, and this is the harness I'll be using. The bezel that goes around, this was purchased by the previous owner, and it's OEM part, and the part number is 5L5Z1004302JAA. Now, I already installed the bezel in here. Here's the cable or the plug for the stereo, and then there's another plug that it's in here, which is this one. It's a 4-wire plug. This is not used for the stereo. This is for the fog lights. And I think we've touched this before, especially Chuck on Panzer platform. He has talked about how especially the Panther still has, like, it will come with some harnesses on the car already. Well, it's just kind of same deal here. This truck came with the harness for the fog lights, and I was looking on the forums, and it says that Rangers come with the fog lamps harness. It's just missing the switch that it will go on the bezel, the fog lamps, and the relay, but everything else is there. So I'm gonna finish up this harness. I just gotta put the shrink tubes around it, make sure that all the connections are good to go, and then we're gonna put it in the truck. So this is pretty straightforward. The Metra adapters, they're already pinned out to the location for each cable, and then basically each aftermarket stereo, they already have a standardized cable collars, and the only thing you have to do is just match the collars, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so here I'm gonna start putting shrink tube around the connections. You probably wonder, why should I not use a heat gun? I could. I feel like this is faster. A lot faster, actually. Okay, now we just got to clean up this with Tessa tape, and we got to put it in the truck. There's some empty wires here that we're not going to be using. I'm just going to leave them in there. Okay, that's it. Okay, so here is the dash kit. For the Ranger, it's pretty simple. You're only using the face here and this pocket. The pocket just clips in to the face, and then this this sleeve here comes with the stereo, and then you put that in there. So let's go in the truck and put this on. All right, so here is the dash kit. Gotta put the cables through the sleeve right here. Got the main plug, and then we got the antenna cable. So this, you got two clips on top. You gotta press them in, and then it should clip in place. You gotta be kind of gentle. These clips are very fragile. There we go. Everything looks pretty good. It's not interfering with anything in the back. Well, now we just gotta put the stereo here. Once we put everything, put this goes in here. You can take this off, and then once everything's done, this goes last. Now gotta put the harness that we made, which is this one. Put this harness, the one we made, which goes right here. No, never force this. If it doesn't want to go in, don't force it. You're gonna bend the pins inside. You gotta wiggle it around. If this doesn't want to go in, just gotta make sure the pins go in each specific slot. Now this goes in the dash. And then we got this here. This goes behind the radio. There we go. And then we got the antenna cable. Goes right here. There we go. There we go. Now, gotta push the scap taps here on the side. There we go. Gotta put a little bit of pressure. And one thing I would say is that I felt like it was gonna break, but just gotta gently start applying pressure and it will go in. Okay. And now this goes here. So, and then I put the last piece, which is this here. Okay, so if we want to take this off, it comes like that. Put it back in there. It goes like that. Okay, let's test it out real quick. I've done this already. I already tested out, and it should be good to go. Okay, we gotta set the clock. Okay, it's set up. It's working pretty good. The volume, it's pretty nice. You know, this two-door Rangers, especially the XL, doesn't come with rear speakers. The space is there, but it only comes with front speakers. So in here I went to sound and fader, and then just put it all the way to the front, because you put it all the way to the rear, you know, there's no rear speakers. Now there's some cables in there. I'm sure the cables will be right here on the behind the seats, but kind of I don't think they're really necessary because, I mean, the seat, it's right against the speaker. So all the sound coming from the speakers would, get blocked by the seat. Anyway, this is pretty good. It's not rattling or anything. And then, yeah, it's pretty good. Alrighty. Okay, the radio's installed, the dash kit and everything else around, it's good to go. It's just a matter of just using the radio. And good thing about this radio, this Sony, is that I could connect my phone to it, and there's a Sony Music Center app that I could control the radio, and it has all kinds of features. Really, very, very cool. Anyways, I think this is it for this video. Until then, I'll see you next time.